Welcome to our presentation on remote desktop services, RDS for short. As the demand for flexible work environments continues to grow, understanding how RDS supports secure and efficient remote access to applications and desktops is more important than ever. Today, we will break down the key components that make up RDS and explore how they work together to create a seamless remote experience. Let's get started. Let's begin with the remote desktop connection broker, the brain behind the session management in RDS. This component ensures that users can reconnect to their existing sessions, which is crucial in environments where session persistence is essential, like when someone loses connection temporarily. The connection broker also smartly balances the load across the multiple RD session host servers, distributing user sessions efficiently. This load balancing is vital for maintaining high availability and optimal performance across your network, ensuring that no single server is overwhelmed. Next up is Remote Desktop Gateway, your gateway to a secure remote access over the internet. By leveraging SSL encryption, Remote Desktop Gateway ensures that all communications between remote users and your internal network remain secure, even when connecting from public or untrusted networks. Think of it as a secure tunnel that safeguards your data as it travels across the internet. For smaller deployments, Remote Desktop Gateway can be integrated with Remote Desktop Web Access to reduce the infrastructure costs while still providing robust security. This combination is a smart way to optimize resources without compromising on safety. Remote Desktop Web Access is your web-based interface for remote access. Hosted on an IIS server, this portal allows users to access their remote apps or full desktops through a familiar browser interface. This web portal is not only user-friendly but also secure thanks to HTTPS encryption. Whether your users are on a laptop, tablet, or a smartphone, RD Web Access provides a consistent and accessible entry point to their work environment. The integration with IIS further ensures that the connection remains secure as data travels between the user and the server. Now let's talk about RD licensing, the guardian of compliance in your RDS environment. RD licensing manages the distribution and tracking of remote desktop services, client access licenses, or RDS calls. Every user or device that connects to an RD session host needs a valid call, and the RD licensing server makes sure this requirement is met. Proper licensing isn't just about avoiding fines, it's about protecting your organization from legal and financial risks. By ensuring that all connections are properly licensed, you safeguard your business while maintaining operational integrity. Finally, we arrive at the RD session host, the powerhouse where your applications and desktop actually run. This server delivers either full desktop experience or an individual application known as a remote app to your users. The flexibility of the RD session host allows organizations to tailor the remote experience to specific needs, whether that means providing a full virtual desktop for some users or just a single application for others. This adaptability makes the RD session host the cornerstone of any successful RDS deployment, giving you the ability to meet diverse users' needs with a single solution. In summary, remote desktop services is composed of several interconnected components, each playing a vital role in delivering a seamless and secure remote access experience. From the RD connection broker managing your user sessions, to the RD gateway securing external connections, and from RD web access providing a user-friendly interface, to the remote desktop licensing ensuring compliance, all these elements work in harmony to support modern remote work environments. Understanding and configuring those components correctly is a key to unlocking the full potential of RDS